Alright, let's cut through the noise. Are OpenClaw and Hermes agent legit, or are you about to get scammed? Here's the quick, no-fluff verdict you need in just 2 minutes. First up, both OpenClaw and Hermes agent are open-source AI agent frameworks. They're not scams, but each has its critics, and for good reason. OpenClaw gets flack for its third-party skill marketplace, ClawHub. Why? Over 15% of community-submitted plugins were found to contain malicious code earlier this year. That's a major supply chain risk if you're not careful. Plus, OpenClaw is famous for rapid updates that sometimes break your workflow, and if you don't self-host it properly, your data could get exposed to the internet. Hermes Agent, on the other hand, has been called out for its sudden viral rise. Some say it's just hype, maybe even astroturfing, instead of real organic growth. It also tends to chew through API tokens quickly, since it's always thinking and learning in the background. And sometimes, it gets a bit too confident, overwriting your manual fixes, because it thinks it nailed the task, when it actually didn't. So, which one should you trust? If you're running a team, need strict control, and want to connect with apps like Slack or Discord, OpenClaw is your business assistant. But if you need a digital twin that learns your habits, remembers your coding style, and improves with use, Hermes is your go-to. Here's a pro tip. Some power users actually run both, OpenClaw as the manager, Hermes as the specialist. Just remember, always double-check community plugins and keep a close eye on your API usage. Bottom line, neither is a scam, but both come with real risks.